Hi there, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop here with a quick walkthrough and unboxing of the mini Weiser Tarot. The reason I'm doing this is because I think it's important to see with a mini deck the images. Okay, so this is the standard, which is this is one of my favourite decks, by the way. Oh, you shouldn't have personals, but I do love favourites. So this is a standard Weiser, so we'll keep that there so you can see. And then the mini comes in a little, almost like a little matchbox design, for those of you that remember what matchboxes are. Okay, and then you've got the Weiser Tarot. So you've got like the title page there. I can't even see what that says. First publishing in 2025. So it's a relatively new deck. You can see everything is beautifully replicated, so you haven't got any. And the reason I love the pockets is because they're so easy to shuffle in my hand. So I'm just going to take you through them now. You can slow this down, speed it up. You're in charge of the car. There's a settings button, I think it is, on YouTube. Well, I know there is a settings button on YouTube where you can speed me up or slow me down or silence me. As I said, you're in charge. Okay, then wands. I love the way that the Weiser's done this, where they've colour coded the elements as well. So you've got, this is water. You've got the blue of the water, the emotions rather. Just those little details for me don't go amiss, you know. I know that she did them as well, didn't she? Then you've got the swords. So we've got like a bit of a purpley. So this is air, the elements of air. I'm zipping through these, aren't I? Zippity-doo. Something's happened to my brain today. It's gone a bit mushy. And then we've got the pentacles. So as you can see, great quality. The cards are solid, nice size for a pocket. Yeah, they're really good quality. They would be, wouldn't they, really? This publisher is really good quality decks. So there you go. That's the mini Weiser Tarot. Quick little walkthrough for you. Let me know what you think in the comments. Okay, thanks very much for your time. Bye-bye.